So, in this behind the scenes, we have with us Chirag Paswan. He is one of the most awaited guests here. People have been waiting very, very eagerly to speak to him. You saw the serious side of him, and we're going to see the quirky side of him, the offbeat side of him as he
I
asks you
don't
the
have
questions.
an obvious side.
Fine.
That's my only side.
So, I want to ask you, of course, I have to begin by asking you about your acting career. If you had to do life all over again, would you choose Bollywood? Would you choose politics?
So let's begin with the disaster itself, which was my movie, which was my so-called acting career. You have seen how I performed. I don't think you would have seen it also because it was so bad that hardly anybody watched that movie. So anybody who knows about that movie, they know that I could have never done any better in that industry. So always, no many how many bus I take, I think I'm going to be in politics. I can't do any better in what I did in that movie.
तो आपको कभी अभी when you see any movies, do you feel कि maybe this movie I should have done?
Absolutely not. Absolutely not. They are such fantastic actors, and especially these days, when you look at the OTT series and the kind of acting and the kind of talent that you see there, especially the younger lot, they are doing some superb job. I can't even relate to them even remotely.
Achha, okay. I want to ask you, Bihar elections are coming up. I won't ask you too much about politics. I just want to ask you, what is your prediction and why, very quickly.
मौसम वैज्ञानिक का बेटा हूँ, प्रिडिक्शन अच्छे कर सकता हूँ. मैं ये मानता हूँ दैट 225 प्लस सीटें लेकर हम लोग सरकार बनाएंगे. दिस टाइम वी आर इन अ विनिंग अलायंस, वी आर अ विनिंग कॉम्बिनेशन, एंड इट गोना बी अ हिस्टोरिक विन लिटरली.
Okay, all right. अभी आपने बिहार की बात की, and I want to ask you, if Bihar had to have a superhero and they had to have a super talent or superpower, what would it be और उनका नाम क्या होता?
If Bihar had to had a superhero,
या आप बन सकते हैं.
I would love to do that if possible, but I don't know. I mean, nothing clicks. No, I don't know. No idea.
एक सुपर पावर जो आपको लगता है कि बिहार को चाहिए. Something
I
that
think-
you have one answer to it. मैं भी बिहार से हूँ. I was from Bihar before it became Jharkhand.
It's not a superpower, but I think this is one thing that's much needed in my state. That is education. Good education. This is really, really, really needed. You don't need a superpower to get educated, but I think the struggle to get educated in my state, in a way, has become like getting a superpower itself.
Okay, so being one of the youngest ministers, I want to ask you: do you get time for fitness? Do you, how do you unwind?
Oh
Tell
yes,
us
yes,
a little
yes.
bit about.
Yeah. That ways I'm very conscious. I'm very health conscious. I count my calories. I try not to eat after 6:30. I make sure that I spend at least 45 minutes to an hour in the morning. So yes, I mean, if I have to leave the house at around say 7, so I make sure I wake up at around 3.5 hours before. So I do all my daily morning routine, and then my puja